Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie's mermaid tail to blow up in DTI. So we are diving into Barbie's mermaid tail to blow up, and it's pure undersea sleigh. So this look will bring surf meets sparkle energy that will make you the queen of the oceans and the runway. Now let me show you how to create this look. So I'm going to start with the hairstyle. So for the hair, I'm going to use two wavy hairstyle. The first one is this one in here, and I'm going to make it pink like this, and then I'm going to combine it with this one in blonde, and then I'm going to click on bangs and put on this bangs in here. And in here, I'm going to use the blonde color and combine it with pink. I don't know why the hair look like this now, but let's just remove it first. And in here, let's creating the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the fitting room, and in here, I'm going to use some of the items. First, I'm going to, of course, use the mermaid tails in here. And I'm going to leave the first color as it is and change the second and the third color into the pink color like this. And once you're done with the tails, I'm going to grab this dress in here, but I'm going to toggle it into only the skirt and change the color into orange like this. Okay, now let's move on to complete the look. So I'm going to go to the women's sections in here and put on this top in here and change the color into pink, and I'm going to make the texture glitter, rainbow glitter I mean, and it will look like this. And the second review, I'm going to make it pink. Then I'm going to combine the top with this bikini top and make it pink color, also in a rainbow glitter. So it will look like this for the top. And in here, I'm going to grab this skirt, first color, make it pink, and I'm going to make it glitter. This pink in here, and the second preview, make it pink again, and the last one, make it orange. Okay, so that's for the skirt, and I'm going to also combine it with this skirt in here again with the pink color and glitter. And let's grab the accessory in here. So I'm going to grab this necklace, change the color into all silver like this, and then combine it with this necklace in here. And now I'm going to change the gems color into pink. Sorry, it's silver. Okay, so now it will look like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.